In today's video, I will be revealing the secrets to enjoying peanut butter without spiking your blood sugar. You will learn how to choose the right natural peanut butter, the ideal portion you can have to prevent a blood sugar spike, what you can pair with peanut butter to manage your glucose levels, and as an icing on the cake, I will be showing you a step-by-step guide to making or producing your own peanut butter right from the comfort of your kitchen. So you would want to give this video a huge thumbs up now, like it and share it across all your platforms because it is value packed and helpful for all Nigerians battling blood sugar issues, whether you are insulin resistant, pre-diabetic or type 2 diabetic. First thing first, let's talk about choosing the right peanut butter because this is super important. When you're at the supermarket or at the grocery store, you are going to see a lot of options. The problem is that many popular brands add a lot of sugar and unhealthy oils to their peanut butter. So you would want to avoid these types. So, how can you identify a natural peanut butter? It's very simple. Just go ahead and check the ingredients list. Any natural peanut butter should only have one or two ingredients, just one or two, which are peanuts and maybe a little salt. That's all. If you see sugar, corn syrup, or hydrogenated oils on the ingredient list, just drop that peanut butter immediately. Let's move on to talk about portion size. So, the recommended portion size is maximum of 2 tablespoons. And because it tastes so good, it's very easy to overeat it, to go beyond board when you are eating it. So ensure you stick to tablespoons for measuring so that you know the portion that you are measuring, that you are measuring a maximum of 2 tablespoons. It can be less, but it shouldn't be more. Now, let's go on to look at how you can enjoy peanut butter without spiking your blood sugar. The key thing here is to pair it with foods that are high in fiber. For instance, cucumber slices with natural peanut butter or apple slices with natural peanut butter. The fiber in the cucumber and apple combined with the healthy fats and protein in the natural peanut butter make them a great snack for you if you are diabetic or have blood sugar issues. This makes them a great snack for you, which helps balance your blood sugar levels. You can also add a tablespoon of your natural peanut butter in your Greek yogurt or your plain unsweetened yogurt. Also, you can add it in your diabetes friendly smoothies. If you don't know how to make a diabetes friendly smoothie, I made a video on that already. You can check it out here. Now, let's enter the kitchen together where I teach you step by step how to make peanut butter right from the comfort of your home. So here we have our roasted peanuts. I roasted it myself and it's unsalted. I didn't add salt while I was roasting it. And here is our salt. I'm just going to be using a pinch of pink salt. This is Himalayan pink salt. And you can use any type of salt you have, table salt, sea salt, anyone you have at home. All those common salts, use them just a little. That's what you need. And that's our measuring spoon. That is quarter of a teaspoon measurement. And this is my grinder. So just use that dry meal, the small one that comes with your blender, the one for dry ingredients. Use it. That's the one we are going to use to make our peanut butter today. And here is me pouring my roasted granules inside
the dry meal. Just pour it, add a little bit of salt, cover it, and just grind it away. And then it turns to this smooth paste. And voila! There you have it. Your peanut butter is ready. You don't need to continue to waste money. You don't need to continue to spend your added money in buying expensive peanut butter anymore. Just do this. Start making this from the comfort of your home. It's healthy, it's economical, it tastes great. Oh my God. And because I'm showing you an example, whenever you make this at home, do like me, behave like me, pair it with your cucumber slices, and you wouldn't go for any other snack again. This snack is diabetes friendly. When you eat it, it's going to stabilize your blood sugar because of the fiber, the healthy fats, and the protein contained in it. If you have apples at home, also slice your apples and put your peanut butter on it and enjoy.
I know today's video has been helpful, so kindly like, share, and if you haven't, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out insightful videos like this from this channel. And if you really enjoyed this video and would want me to make more of demo videos like this, comment more in the comment section and I surely will heed to what you have said. Until next time, stay healthy and keep beating diabetes the Niger way.